Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. Creating viral wisdom shorts on YouTube. In this video, we'll explore the art of crafting engaging wisdom shorts that captivate audiences on YouTube. Viewers will learn essential techniques for distilling valuable insights into concise, impactful content that resonates with a wide audience. Sharing knowledge in a brief format not only enhances viewer retention but also encourages the spread of wisdom across the platform. We'll emphasize the importance of creativity and originality, inspiring you to infuse your unique perspective into each short. Join us as we unlock the secrets to making your wisdom shorts go viral and leave a lasting impression on your viewers. Step 1. Identify your target audience and niche to create impactful wisdom shorts. Start by researching demographics to pinpoint who will benefit most from your content. Understanding your audience's age, interests, and preferences is crucial for effective engagement. Next, choose a specific niche, such as personal development, motivational quotes, or mindfulness tips, to establish your unique voice. This focus will help you stand out in a crowded space. Finally, tailor your content to resonate with the interests and needs of your audience, ensuring that each short delivers value and relevance. By knowing your audience and niche, you'll create wisdom shorts that truly connect and inspire. Step 2. Craft compelling and concise messages to capture your audience's attention. Focus on delivering impactful wisdom in 60 seconds or less. This brevity encourages viewers to engage fully without losing interest. Use clear and relatable language to ensure your message is easily understood by a diverse audience. Avoid jargon and complex phrases that might alienate viewers. Additionally, incorporate storytelling elements to make your message memorable. A personal anecdote or a vivid example can create an emotional connection. By combining clarity, brevity, and storytelling, you'll craft compelling wisdom shorts that resonate deeply and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Step 3. Utilize engaging visuals and editing techniques to elevate your wisdom shorts. Incorporate eye-catching graphics and animations that enhance viewer engagement. Visual elements can help illustrate your message and keep the audience captivated. Use editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to achieve polished results, ensuring your content looks professional and appealing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different formats, such as text overlays that emphasize key points or split screens that showcase contrasting ideas. By combining dynamic visuals with effective editing techniques, you'll create a visually stimulating experience that complements your message and encourages viewers to share your content. Step 4. Optimize your video for search and discoverability to maximize the reach of your wisdom shorts. It's essential to optimize your video for search and discoverability. Start by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to improve SEO, making it easier for viewers to find your content. An attractive thumbnail is also crucial. It should capture attention and accurately reflect your video's content, enticing potential viewers to click. Additionally, encourage viewer engagement by asking questions or prompting comments, fostering a sense of community around your content. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance your video's visibility and attract a larger audience eager for your wisdom. Step 5. Promote your wisdom shorts across platforms to maximize the impact of your wisdom shorts. Actively promote your videos across various social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Sharing your content on these channels can significantly increase visibility and attract new viewers. Engage with communities and forums related to your niche, participating in discussions to draw attention to your videos and establish yourself as a knowledgeable resource. Additionally, consider collaborating with other creators to expand your reach and audience. Partnerships can introduce your content to new followers who share similar interests. By leveraging multiple platforms, you'll enhance your video's exposure and engagement. Step 6. Analyze performance and iterate on your content to ensure the success of your wisdom shorts. Regularly analyze performance using YouTube Analytics. This tool allows you to track viewer engagement and retention rates, providing valuable insights into how your content is received. Identify which topics resonate most with your audience, as this information will guide your future content creation. Pay attention to viewer feedback and performance metrics, using them to continuously refine your approach. By adapting your strategy based on data and audience preferences, you'll enhance the effectiveness of your wisdom shorts, ensuring they remain relevant and engaging for your viewers. Conclusion. Creating viral wisdom shorts effectively. In summary, we've explored the essential steps to create viral wisdom shorts. identifying your target audience and niche, crafting compelling messages, utilizing engaging visuals, optimizing for search, promoting across platforms, and analyzing performance. Each step emphasizes the importance of creativity and connecting with your audience to deliver impactful content. Remember, your unique perspective can make a difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your engagement not only supports our channel but also fosters a community eager to share and learn from one another.